What's up, guys? SlimstaRides here, and I'm back with my mate. Just coming back from college. Came to my college to meet me. So yeah, we're gonna head somewhere. He's gonna go and stop do a wee, take a whiz. Dooby dooby doo. Yeah, so in my last vlog I forgot to plug my microphone in, and I was talking in the vlog, but obviously didn't get picked up. And what I was saying was that I've bought all new gear, which should be here this week. It's really nice, the gear I've got. I didn't realise, but it's the same helmet that he's got, a bit in green. Exactly the same pattern, which I didn't realise, but it's fine. Different colours you'll hardly realise. And I've got new jacket, new trousers, keeping these boots as they're fine. It's just that all this stuff is torn, and yeah, I don't feel safe wearing it. So therefore, when I get my 125, I'm going to take my A1 test so I can take pillion passengers. Whoever wants to come on the back of my bike will just wear this helmet I'm wearing now, and then I'll be wearing all my new gear. Can't wait for it to come. It's gonna be awesome. I've also realised they covered up that massive pothole. That's by that speed camera, which is good. They've tarmacked over it. So yeah, they had fallen down about a foot deep. Well, not a foot, like say about 5-6 inches. This is why I need my 125. I cannot keep up with anyone on a 125. Because on this you just need to go through the gears to get faster. On that you can stay in thirds and go however speed you want without having changing gear. And it just pulls away just insanely fast. I'll try and catch up with him on here. To be honest, with my Box Hill video, I really liked the music that went with the video. Might try and do that more often. Like put music over bits where I'm not talking. I mean, I can't get good music because if I put no music, it's just going to get copyright. So I have to put some royalty-free music on it. That song that I put on the Box Hill video was royalty free. It was actually an alright song actually, not bad. Oh guys, look, there's the natural Hoover in its natural habitat, guys. You know, they're born free creatures. They are born free creatures, Hoovers, you know, but people capture them and then sell them on to be overused. I mean, that's not what they were made to be. I mean, you have to preserve these creatures, not take them away from their natural habitat. Is anyone gonna let me pull out, guys? No, that's all right. I'll just sit here for a few hours. You know, what I usually do. I mean, that Hoover is obviously just been caught and been put into captivity. But I mean, all these potholes, man. They really grind my gears. Get me really angry, you know, and all that squeaking with my back brake. Oh, these are why. This is why I don't want a car. I mean, with a bike you can just filter through, be all cool, well not cool, but you know, be more relaxed when you're riding, be free, not in a cage. So, I mean, look at all these, they're just metal boxes you sit in. I mean, what's the fun in that? And most of these people who are driving these cars don't even know what power they're driving. Oh yeah, my car is a Mercedes, got 4 wheels with black rubber circles on those little wheels, and yeah, it's just I mean, if you're serious about cars and you know everything about your car, you know what power it's got and how to actually fix one yourself, then that's cool. But not if you're... Oh, what's happened here? Let's see. Someone's been pulled over. It's a BMW, and yeah, he must have been pulled over for probably speeding, I would say. So I gave you my analysis. Yeah. I mean, I don't get it when... Oh no, I don't want to risk it. I've risked it before and it didn't go good. Actually. Boom! How do you like those beans? I'm not going to be trapped by you again. Been trapped there before for like 20 minutes and it's raining and cold, and I really don't fancy sitting there. Anyway, the time that it's flashing yellow and then it starts flashing red, you have about 15 seconds before they actually start going down. So I was well in the clear, nothing to worry about there, nothing to worry about. And I'm fogging up again. Anyway guys, that's it for this vlog. If you liked it, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe, keep updated, and let me know that you want more. Also, leave a comment every now and then. I like reading comments, and this woman just pulled out on me in a pathetic little Mini. And now she's braking for absolutely no reason at all. Oh wait, no, she is. Oh, there's traffic, I couldn't see it. Alright guys, well, I'll see you later. Goodbye. Goodbye.